Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Mi Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can turn off auto rotation on this device. Firstly, go into tab menu. Now you need to click on rotate off icon. Auto rotation is now disabled. You can check it out by going into any app and turning your smartphone. But you can also go into device settings, misclick, scroll down, choose display, scroll all the way down and tap on the switcher next to auto rotate screen to turn it off as well. When it's gray, that means that auto rotation is disabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!